Alright, Champ Barbecuers, tonight, actually, we're doing up a brisket. Oh, hell yeah, up in the Pit Boss pellet smoker. It is 1 a.m. and we got this brisket trimmed up, rubbed up, and it is cold as all hell up here in New York. $14 degrees outside. Thank goodness I'm up in the shanty. Oh, hell yeah.
Give me a hell yeah!
Brisket is sweating out, sort of, because it's cold. But in here it's about 50, 55 degrees. Oh, hell yeah. So we're doing our basic backyard trim on this brisket. And it's got a nice flat for a choice. Decent thickness. And we hit it up with Uncle Steve's Shake. Oh, hell yeah. Uncle Steve's Shake cow powder and thick meat. And we're letting that set in for about an hour. But it's only, like I said, about 50 in here, maybe 45. Well, it is what it is. Barely 50. Set it for an hour. It'd sweat out better in the spring, but this will work. We're going to put it in, fat cap up in the pellet smoker, set it, forget it type of deal. And we're going to wrap it in butcher paper after about, we hit 170 degrees internal temp.
I said give me a hell yeah!
All right, I got the cutting board cleaned up and butcher paper ready, and I clicked the smoker down to 200 degrees. It's almost 2 in the morning and I want to sleep for about 6 hours. So then I'm going to come out, wrap the son of a gun, and it is cold as all hell. It's 14 degrees. So then I'll come out, wrap it, put it back in, and go back to bed. That's what I'm doing. Cheers. So we are all set up, ready to go. We're going to go take a little nap, a 6-hour nap, 200 degrees, smoking this son of a gun. Oh, hell yeah. So I put this brisket on last night, 1:30, almost 2 o'clock, and it's almost 5 o'clock. We're finally getting there, finally. So I wrapped it this morning at 8 o'clock. What I did last night, I get so worried if I'm going to sleep. I only put this sucker at 200 degrees. Should have did at least 225. But, hey, it's an experiment. And I got all day, so why not? So 200 degrees for six and a half hours. And then I wrapped that sucker at 8 o'clock this morning, put it back in, bumped it up to 225. That's where I think I should have just put it to 275, 300. And then at noon, that's when I pumped it up to 300. So we are getting close to the end, and smells delicious.
Give me a hell yeah!
So my wrap job had a little bit of a leak where the two 18-inch pieces of butcher paper were wrapped together. I overlapped them. It's a little leak. Hopefully there's no issue. It's fat cap up still, and we're gonna pull that out, let it rest for about an hour, and then we'll cut into the sucker. Hell yeah! And then, in the meantime, let's get a cold one. Oh, guess what? Ricer, it's your fault. I'm into these damn things. The goddamn Corona beers are delicious with the limes. Woo! If you ain't had some, go get some. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, hell yeah.
I said give me a hell yeah!
This was a crazy experiment. Man, you're going to watch this in the beginning of the video. That bark was hardly anything when I wrapped this. But, a very, very long cook. Check that out with butcher paper. God damn. This looks amazing. Oh, hell yeah.
Give me a hell yeah!
Ooh. Ooh. I mean, come on. Wow. Oh, hell yeah.
I said give me a hell yeah.
Folks, that rocks. Oh. Oh. Amazing. Oh, hell yeah. Cheers, folks. Boom. Oh. Oh, hell yeah. Oh. Best brisket ever. Oh, hell yeah. That's the best brisket I've ever had in my entire life. Oh, hell yeah. So, the little test that it was sort of a mess up rocked. Oh, hell yeah.